Hi everyone, I just got my Gifts of Fall paper pumpkin. This is a little sneak peek into what's coming in the next month's kit. Bon Appetit. It's Halloween themed, obviously, and it says 20 bone-chilling treat boxes and an exclusive Halloween stamp set and spooky special edition box. I really love the Halloween paper pumpkins. I do a lot of kids things, so these are perfect for me. And it says 20, and I usually get a couple because I need more than 20. And so if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber and think you need more than 20, go ahead and up your box. You know, you can do that. You can get 2 boxes, and sometimes they sell refills too. So you can, if you don't want to up your box because then you get an extra stamp set and an extra ink spot, you can try and hope that they have refills. They don't always, but they usually think about Halloween as a good refill month, so they might have extras. So anyway, this is a sneak peek into next month. Let's see what this month brings. Let me grab this little piece of white here so you can see the stamps. Look at this, is really pretty. That's going to be pretty on some techniques, maybe some watercoloring. Of course, I always say that. My favorite. Thankful for friends like you. Enjoy. Grateful for family like you, and happy Thanksgiving. I can always use a happy Thanksgiving. It's hard to find those, and that's a nice size. Our Stampin' Spot is Mary Merlot. Okay. Now we knew this was bags. So here they are. Look how pretty these bags are. All right, let's open it up. I see lots of glittery bling. This might be a good one for refills too. These would be great little bags for teacher appreciation. Things like that. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gift bags. Look at all of these sequins, and they already have adhesive on them, which is great. Okay, we've got some dimensionals. Now I did read that it makes 12 tags, so I guess that way you can make some mistakes. You've got bunch of pre-cut tags here, and some linen thread, and this looks like very pretty satin ribbon, and I'm guessing this is Mango Melody. Look at this, a pretty wreath. So you've got some die cut wreaths, you've got some more, oh, these are really pretty too. It kind of gives me an idea of things I want to do with some of my stamps. Look at how pretty that's watercolored. Some nice little banners. These are die cut, oh, branches. You just can hardly tell because the pattern is, but it's little leaves. Here are some circles. More tags. Ooh, look at this. Very pretty vellum pieces. Don't you love this? This looks like that stamp, about the same size too, so you can even think about how you want to color in your stamp. That's really beautiful. Here's some more leaves and some more branches and glue dots, of course. So that is what comes in the kit. Here's the picture. Okay, so you're not, for this kit, you're not really using all the pieces all the time. Looks like you've got some extras. So you can do, because you've got 6 of these pieces, but they only showed on 3 bags. So they've got 2 different style bags, but enough to do all of them either way. So you're going to have a lot of leftover pieces here. So you can do whatever's left on this bag. Like, so you have enough to do 6 of these and 6 of these, but without the bags. Do you understand what I'm saying? So the leftover pieces can go on a card front. Just stick that right on a card front, and that would be beautiful. So you have bags and enough supplies to do card fronts, which is great, and I think they're quite lovely. So if you did not get this kit, I always buy extra, and contact me and see if you can get it. Now this is an add-on, and I think this was an add-on that would work even without the Paper Pumpkin kit, just to have on hand, but you can decide if you want this also for those tags. I was telling you how there's extra pieces. So you've got these watercolor bases. Look how pretty that is, and you can add your own stamp, and there's 2 different styles, the wreath and then that watercolor wash. Super pretty. And then the envelopes look like this. All of them are like this. And I forget how many there are. Let me see if it says. 24. 24 note cards and envelopes. And that pack was just $10. So you'll get a lot of use for $10. It's an add-on pack. It matches. You can use your leftover elements to put on these cards. And then these cards, especially this wash, you can use with just about anything. Super pretty. So let me know if you would like any of these kits or products, and I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.